Hello everyone, I'm Miss Murphy. I'm the Acting Head of Projects here at Forest, and today I'll be talking you through the Extended Project Qualification, the EPQ. So what is the EPQ? The EPQ is an A-level standard independent research project. The exam board that we follow is AQA. You are assessed on both the process and the product, which is the same as the HPQ for those of you who did that in Year 10 and Year 11. And at Forest, all Year 12 students take the EPQ. For those of you at Forest who completed the HPQ in Year 10 and 11, I know you'll be interested in knowing what the differences are between the HPQ and the EPQ. The main difference is the length of the project that you produce. It's 5,000 words as opposed to the 2,500 that you completed in HPQ. It is marked at an A-level standard, so it is a big step up from GCSE. And it is more academic in style. So you'll be needing to include academic research like journal articles as opposed to newspaper articles, etc., that you may have relied on more in HPQ. Finally, it's completed in a much shorter span of time. Students will have decided upon their topic by the October half term, and they will have completed their projects entirely by Easter of the next year. There are some similarities though. We will maintain the small class size that you had in HPQ, so you'll have a class of around 8 students with your supervisor, and we also still use Project Q to complete our production logs, so that will be the same as well. So you may be wondering why we do the EPQ at Forest, and particularly why it's compulsory for students to take it at Forest. And there's lots of great reasons for this. The first is the development of your transferable skills. So you will develop fantastic skills in terms of problem solving, critical analysis, and your writing skills, which will help you within your A-level subjects and in the future with your university. Doing the EPQ also will help to strengthen your university application, and you can use that for your UCAS application as well. So I think this quote really sums up how beneficial the EPQ can be. Ben Jones did this research for AQA in 2016, and he found that after controlling for other factors, taking the EPQ enhanced students' odds of achieving a higher grade A-level by 29%. We've also got lots of great data about what universities think of students who've taken the EPQ. So the Russell Group has said that undertaking this kind of work considerably improves students' skills in time management, academic writing, referencing and critical analysis, amongst others. For this reason, the EPQ is valued by Russell Group universities, and some may include it as part of an offer made to a student. Queen's College Cambridge says that if you have the opportunity, undertaking an EPQ is a good idea, as it develops your ability to study independently and helps make the transition from school to university. It's a good way to demonstrate interest and commitment. The University of Oxford has said that working on an EPQ encourages students to develop research and academic skills relevant to undergraduate study. And the University of Manchester said that the skills that students develop through the EPQ is excellent preparation for university study. The University of York said that it's a definite strength of an application if a student has done an EPQ. So all of those universities are talking about the skills that students develop in the EPQ, which can be so beneficial for their first year of study. Universities may also make alternative offers to students who've studied an EPQ or are studying for one. So for instance, the University of Bath offers an alternative offer for students if they've attained a grade A in their EPQ. The University of Bristol will make dual offers to students who've attained top grades in the EPQ. University of Liverpool and Queen Mary University have both said that they would make alternative offers to students who have done the EPQ, or they will make reduced offers to students. And there are many other universities around the UK who see the benefit of the EPQ and really welcome a discussion of that process of the EPQ in personal statements. As many of you will know with the HPQ, the EPQ is a challenging but rewarding experience. And many foresters talk about how doing the EPQ helped them with their A-level subjects and also made them feel more prepared as they went into university. One forest student has said, having been limited by 3 A-level choices, the EPQ allowed me to take my potential 4th option and research into a specific topic that genuinely interested me, Greek comedy. Not only did this then satiate my desire to investigate further into the classical world, but the need to synthesize multiple texts and refine and formulate a convincing argument helped me to realize that English was the subject I wanted to pursue at university. Another forest student said that it helped me to develop my research and written communication skills, as I did not take any other essay writing subjects. And the EPQ also strengthened their university applications. Although my EPQ topic was unrelated to the subject that I wanted to study at university, I received lower university offers because I achieved an A* in my EPQ. If you'd like to know more about the EPQ, I'd recommend that you talk to a current Year 13 student. You can also have a look at the AQA website, or finally you can have a talk to me or Miss Mackey, the Deputy Head of Projects around the school, or drop us an email with any questions that you might have.